Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by picking colors and tools that match your vibe. This matters because contrast makes small details pop. Once you have sticky notes, test marker nibs and tape adhesion so finishes stay neat. Start with a simple border or corner accent to set the style, and keep a few spare notes for practice. Make sure to trim tape ends at an angle for a cleaner look, and position stickers before writing so nothing obscures your message. Once you have a base border, focus on pattern and scale. Small repeating motifs read better on tiny notes. You should use a fine liner for delicate marks like eyes, dots, or tiny leaves. Light pressure avoids bleed. Layering a thin washi tape strip under a sticker creates depth without bulk. If you want uniformity, use a tiny stamp or stencil to repeat a motif quickly. Make sure to let ink dry fully before stacking the notes. You finish by protecting your design. A narrow strip of clear tape over the top edge guards against wear and lifts. If a pen smears, conceal it with a white gel pen or a small sticker. This keeps the note usable and cute. For curling or weak stick, peel off the pad backing and apply fresh double-sided tape or a repositionable glue dot. Finally, store your notes flat in a drawer to preserve shape and make sure adhesive stays sticky.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.